Premier from i2i Technologies provides people and organizations with professional expertise and confidence while helping their live, virtual, and hybrid events run smoothly. It's easily customizable for a variety of activities. Services and support can be delivered before, during, or after your event. Let's chat about what happens during your virtual or hybrid event. The success of your event depends on a trusted and reliable partner. We can assist in the setup, configuration, and testing of equipment. We also actively monitor and facilitate your event, supporting all participants with tools like session monitoring spreadsheets and collaborative chat dashboards. And we'll make sure your event runs smoothly by using a back-channel communication plan and recording sessions as determined. With Premier from i2i Technologies, you can rest assured that your virtual or hybrid event will be a success with an engaged and happy audience. Contact us today to learn more about how we can make your next virtual or hybrid event a success. Visit i2itech.com/virtual to learn more.